Hey besties, welcome back to my channel, girl. If you're new here, my name is Ash. I do lifestyle, beauty, and perfume content. But for my return bestie, hey girl, what you doing and what's tea? And bestie, as y'all can tell, girl, we are doing a how to make your perfume and body spray last long. Bestie, I got you, so let's get into it. Now, bestie, it's all about the scent. So if you're like me and bestie, as y'all can tell, I love Bath. Now I do have some perfume. I do have some perfume as well, but like y'all know, I love like Bath and Body Works more. So we're gonna start with the body spray, and then we're gonna do how to make your perfume last longer. This is the grind. This is the mop. This is the mop. This is the mop. This is the mod. This is the mod vanilla perfume by Miss Grande. So let's get into it. Okay, now with the body spray, bestie. Now there are so many ways to make your body spray last. The first one, bestie, is all about like a perfume oil or just anything that can make your perfume. Now the first thing, bestie, I love this. Now this is the Vaseline all over body balm. I bought this from Target for like $5 or $7, but I know Walmart sells this, Walgreens, CVS, like most places sell this. Basically, I do have the Dollar Tree version as well. So if you don't have like none of them stores near you and you got like a Dollar Tree, bestie. So what you're gonna do is you're going to take this and you're going to put it on your palm, on both palms, your neck, just like right there on like your pressure points, so right there, and there, bestie. And then you're going to take your body spray and spray it right in them spots. So for example, I put some on my palm, so you're going to spray some on your palm, your pressure points, on your neck, and boom. Now, and then once you get done, basically, you're going to spray it all over you, basically, and that's how I get my body. And then you're going to spray it all around you, basically, and that's how I get my body spray to last a long time. Because I had wore coconut milkshake last Tuesday, and I got so many like comments saying I'm smelling good, and a lot of folks were shook like on my TikTok because I had went live and talked about it, and like they were like their body sprays don't last a long time because it's all about how you do your scents. Now, if you don't like the Vaseline body stick, girl, it's so many other alternatives. Now, if you don't like Vaseline, like the Vaseline body stick, and you like the regular Vaseline better, you take your regular Vaseline and put some like a slid right there and right there and right there, and you're going to repeat the process. So spray it there, boom. Now, if you don't like the Vaseline body stick if you don't like the Vaseline body stick or just like the regular Vaseline best, I got you. Now, this is a perfume oil. Now, I know this thing don't match, but like this is for explanatory use. Now, you're going to take your perfume. Now, you're going to take your perfume roller oil on, and you're going to put some there, and you're going to repeat the process, basically just spraying it all around. Now, if you don't like perfume oil because they're kind of like just like not your thing, I got you. Now, any body oil will work. Now, this is my favorite body oil. This came from Dollar Tree. I know they got a vitamin E one as well, but if you don't like that one, this is like the coconut oil one, and this the coconut oil one. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to put some right there on your palm, right there, and on your body as well, and you're going to spray it right in them centers. And then if you want to be extra, you can do what I do. But if you don't like doing that, bitch, I got another alternative that I did last Saturday, and I smelled so bomb. So this is the Vaseline all-purpose cream cocoa glow. I got this from Dollar Tree for like $1. So what I would do is I'll put some of this inside of my hand first. It just smells like cocoa butter. So what I'll do, I'll put some of this in my hand first, and then you'll take your body spray or your perfume, and you're going to spray inside your hands, and then you're going to rub it on your like body and stuff, and then you're going to take your body spray and spray it all around again. Now, that's how you can get your body and that's how you can get your body spray to last all day like mine. Now, with perfume, people say it's like all about, is it like loud or not, and that is not the case. So this is the Miss Grande vanilla perfume. I love this perfume now. It smells like a regular sweet, just like a regular sweet like vanilla perfume. Now, what you can do is basically, which I now this is what I like. Now this is what I do with my perfume oil. I try to layer my scents, right? So now. Now, besties, now, this is what I do with, like, other perfume. So, this is the pink candy perfume, bestie. You know, like, I got this from Five Below, and this smells so, like, sweet and loud like me. Now, it's all about the matching perfume. So, and the matching perfume oil. Now, you don't always have to have, like, a matching perfume oil, but if you do, it'll make your scent last 10 times longer, bestie. So, I went to the, like, now I went to my local beauty. I went to my local beauty. I don't know. I went to my local beauty supply store, girl, and they have so many perfume oils, and I smelled them. Now, since the beauty supply, they can't put certain names because they can't get like sued for that. So this is just called WLBO2, right? And it smells just like a sweet candy perfume base. So what I did is I'll take this and I'll put it on my palm right there, and then I spray my perfume on there, and then I do my favorite thing, which is the doom 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 doom, and then I take my perfume and I spray it all around me. Basically, I was at my cousin's house, right, and she was like, "You smell good," cause basically that is one of my favorite compliments ever. Like, I love getting saying like you smell good, because I do take my fragrance very seriously. Now, back to the Grande. Now back to the Grande perfume, bestie. If you don't like if you don't like oils, take your Vaseline Cream Glow. And since vanilla and cocoa butter go so good, so I know like you are going to smell like a walking snack. Take your Vaseline Purpose Glow, put some in your hand, spray a little bit of your perfume inside your hand, and you're going to take it. You're going to put it on like a dash there, a dash there, a dash there, a dash there. Then, if you don't like that, you can use the body oil as like the same way, but that's gonna do a little more harder because this is more runny. Now, then you're going to take your perfume and you're going to spray all on your body, and want to spray one more time on like your arm, bestie. And that's how you will smell like a walking step, bestie. And everywhere I go, bestie, at least 3 people are saying, "Oh, you smell good. Oh, what you wearing? Oh, you smell good." Like, that is one of my favorite compliments, girl. But bestie, I hope this video helped, girl, cause like we like all can smell good well, cause basically like we can all smell good for like a affordable price. Like, this perfume oil came from Dollar Tree for $1. This perfume oil was like $4 or $3. Now, bestie, if you do want this perfume, I will link this perfume in the body spray, and everything will always be linked down in the description box below. Now, this perfume was like $48, but I love it now. Like, if you're like me, now I love all of Miss Grande perfumes. They smell tea, bestie. But bestie, I hope this video helped, girl. But bestie, I hope this video helped, girl. If it did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be what? Notified every time your girl post a new video. And girl, I love you so much, girl. And until next time, bye, bestie.